If you're looking for a bigger tax refund this year, you've come to the right place.
Right. Our accountant,
Okorie,
Ezieme. I'm so sorry. You say your name because it's a little bit difficult to pronounce. But
Very simple, Okorie.
Okorie,
Ezieme.
Wonderful.
Let's practice that.
So let's hear your tips about things that we're not realizing we should be taking advantage of.
Okay, let's start by saying that the IRS says every year that there are millions of taxpayers that are overpaying their taxes.
Oh, overpaying.
And that is because they are not taking advantage of the tax breaks that they could.
Okay.
So the information that I'm giving you today is really geared towards those individuals that are DIY, do-it-yourself.
Right.
Because when you go
That's why
to
I
a
don't do it myself.
professional, the professional should navigate you through all these.
Now, the DIY guys are doing it through like the regular software you could buy, like TurboTax and stuff, right? Or are they just, doing it on their
Simple
own?
tax.
That would be correct. And also the Internal Revenue Service on their website has a program or a link that you can use to prepare your taxes.
So we know that
online,
one's not
so-
going to be in our favor, right?
No, that probably can't even understand what they're saying on the website.
Exactly.
It'd be confusing. That's good. So, why are people paying too much in taxes these days? I mean, what are some of the things that people are making mistakes on?
There are so many, but let's start by.
Let's go with the big one first.
Let me give you a list and we just talk about it, if that's okay. Sales tax is one area that people overlook.
So I'm a big spender. I'm helping the economy, right? And
we appreciate that.
Exactly. And I can actually list all my sales tax on my purchases?
Actually, yes. If it is larger than the state income tax, you can elect to take the sales taxes instead of the state income tax.
Wow.
However, there are some states like Florida, Arizona, Texas, Wyoming, Washington, they do not have state income tax. So for those in those states, I definitely encourage them to add up their receipts that they paid, for sales tax.
For retail stuff.
For retail stuff.
Interesting.
Hey, if you purchased a new car, that's usually a pretty good amount of money.
Right,
So
that's a
then
few
you can
$1,000s,
write that.
yeah.
That's
There
true.
you go.
So what's
And
another one on
Tesla.
your list there?
unreimbursed expenses that on the job. Hey, you guys are working, and let's say that you went from here to another set, and you're not being paid for that.
No.
Yeah,
You
we're gonna have
should
to
be-
talk to Tammy because
Yeah,
I don't get any reimbursements for
you
this.
should be deducting those. It adds up quite much. Last night, I had a client that came in, my last client, and he was going to owe the IRS some money, but he said, "Is there anything else I can do?" I said, "Well, what do you do on your job?" He said, he's an account temp and he goes to different places. I said, "Wait a minute, do you drive there? Are you reimbursed for it?" Lo and behold, those were thousands of
Mileage.
dollars
Great.
that
Right.
yeah,
Well,
came back as a result of
Tammy,
that.
she explained to me that any number times zero is still zero. So,
How about, real quick, Okorie, list some of the other ones and we'll
We have charitable contributions. We have student loans paid by interest paid by your mom or parents. Oh, you should deduct that, but a lot of people don't know this. When you go job hunting, those are things that you should deduct. When child care, people that take their children and they are cared for, there's pretty good credit that you get from that. Refinancing points. When you go taking advantage of the lower interest rates now and you refinance your home,
You
the
can write it
points
off.
that you are paid, you should be amortizing that. Actually, it's a little bit more technical. However, when you seek for a professional, they
Great.
will tell you exactly what to do.
Okorie, thank you for being on the show today.
Yeah.
Okay.
And
We
I
appreciate
know you
that.
have more hints for us, so
We'll
can
have to have you come back.
Right. What is your email address?
My email address is Ezieme@NGOK Global Consultants, and the name of our firm is NGOK Global Consultants Incorporated. We have a team of professionals tax consultants. We have the certified public accountants. We have IRS enrolled agents, and we also have
Great.
tax lawyers.
Wow,
Thank
better than
you.
doing it yourself.
Absolutely fantastic.
Okay.
Thank you for being on. And up next,
Say, coming up, we're going to be doing some magic on my forehead. We're going to make those wrinkles disappear.
and you're going to see my bare naked face up next.
Ooh.